So I'm doing it this way, but I'm not including your September rent.
Yeah, I understand.
So this will give you a chance to just clear this balance. You'll still owe your September rent.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Very good. Okay, you take care of yourself.
Yeah.
All right. Your head doesn't look too bad this time. No, it doesn't look too bad. I'll let you wear the hat. No, you all right? Ellen, you shouldn't have called him out like that. Court calls the case. Gulf Side Lakes versus Garrison Brackens.
Jillian Aiken for plaintiff.
I'm right here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, Mr. Brackens is there. Okay. Where are we on this case?
I have the balance including court costs of $3,558.99.
Give me that number again. I'm sorry.
Yeah, $3,558.99.
All right. Did you pay the $1,000?
No, sir. After court, I was having a conversation with Melissa Dot. She's like the landlord. And I was just asking her if there was a way that instead of me just paying, if I could just move out in the 30 days, like the eviction. And then on the 4th, I was sent a demand for possession letter. And it was basically saying I had two options to either pay the rent owed or vacate the premises within 30 days. So I was just going to do the vacate the premises in 30 days option.
It was on the 4th?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, my client sends out monthly demands for possession, and I think there is language on it that says that it doesn't affect any pending case. Mr. Brackens, when were you planning on moving out?
On the September 1st.
Okay. Your Honor, if you would do a judgment for the 29th.
Okay. It won't happen before then anyway. Gotcha. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grant a judgment for possession, finding no tribal issue for the 3558.99 with a writ to issue August 29th. Okay. And if you move out, then you'll be all set. They're only looking for possession of the premises.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you. I don't know what Alan's doing. He's just like sitting there. Gulf Side Lakes versus Patrice Haywood.
Jillian Aiken for plaintiff.
Here she is. Hello, Miss Haywood. How are you?
Oh, how are you?
I'm doing well. All right. What's our claim in this case?
Your Honor, I have a balance including court costs of $4,137.28. I believe that Ms. Haywood did make the payment.
She did make.
She made it $1,200 for the 11th. Bringing this down, I have a note that she has an application, or she's seeking assistance from Hawk.
Yes. Have you met with Hawk yet, or well, you got to get down below the 3.
I just turned my paperwork in to them, but and SER as well.
Okay, but their funding is going to be very limited. Okay, let me ask you this: when's the next time you think you can make a payment?
Probably the 28th.
The 28th?
Yes.
And how much do you think you can make it there?
I'm trying to do half of that.
Pardon?
I'm trying to do half of that balance on the 28th.
So about, you think you're trying to do about 2,000? You think?
Yes.
You think you're going to be able to make it? Or?
I'm fighting for it. Yes. Yes.
Bless your heart. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say about 2,000 on or by the 28th. I'm going to give you a shot. We'll figure out what we'll do with it. But so what I'm going to do is I'll adjourn it out to the 29th, 2025 at 3 p.m. And let's see where we are. We'll figure out how to do it.
Thank you.
Fair enough?
Yes.
All right, Sarah. Thank you. Court calls the case of Huron Vista versus Tisha Clark.
Jillian Aiken for plaintiff.
Oh.
Hello.
What's your name?
Tisha Clark.
All right. And where are we with Miss Clark, please?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,086. I understand Ms. Clark at the last hearing said that she was part of a forgiveness plan. And I am going to need to, I just need to verify that with my client.
Okay. But she must have,
Get a payment.
she did make a significant payment.
Yes.
I can tell by the number. Okay.
Um,
So what I'll do then, so we can try to get the paperwork and everything moving on it, I'll adjourn you out to the 29th, 2025, 3 p.m. Okay, and hopefully they'll get the paperwork together and we can close it out.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
You take care. Have a good weekend.
And there it is, the moment every courtroom watcher waits for. Emotions boiling over. Tenants often feel exposed when landlords or attorneys reveal personal details. But hey, would you have kept your cool here or gone off too?
Huron Vista versus Giovanna Nesbeth.
I'm here.
Oh, there you are. Okay.
Hi.
How much is owing on hers?
I have a balance including court costs of $3,008.
3,000.
8.
Okay. So she also made a payment, about 600 or so. All right. Is this part of the? Is she part of the forgiveness plan or no?
I am not sure, Your Honor. I can verify that with my client if you would adjourn this for 2 weeks.
All right. Okay, so ma'am, what I'm going to do is see if you're going to be part, or can be part of a program, a forgiveness program. So I'm going to adjourn this out 2 weeks to the 29th at 3 p.m. And let's see where we go from there, okay?
Okay, that works for me.
All righty, thank you. You take care, have a good weekend.
Thank you. You as well.
Huron Vista versus Monica Drummer.
Julian Egan.
She's in Zoom, okay. Drummer?
Yes, sir.
All right, there she is. Okay. All right, where are we on her case?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,167.
Okay, Miss Drummer, how are you going to get that paid?
Okay. Did you get my paperwork? I sent
Are you going to yell at me?
I'm not yelling. I'm just close to the mic. I'll scoot back some. Did you get my you get my paperwork I sent to the court? My VAW form and other stuff.
The VFW? Let's see.
Yep. And my PPO orders and the rest of that stuff.
I have. When did you send it to us?
Oh, last week, Thursday maybe. I emailed it, and they had to get it because they got my form for me to be on Zoom. So I know they got it because all that was together.
I see what you're saying. I think. Well, hold on. No, I don't. What did you say came in it?
So it was a form for the Zoom meeting, and then the rent forms that were in the packet that they sent in the mail. So I sent copies of the police reports, PPO order, and my BAWA form.
Oh, I see what they did. They put that under comp. Okay, yes, I do see it.
Okay.
Your Honor, I have a note, and I'd like to confirm this with Ms. Drummer. I have a note that she may be turning in keys on the 19th.
Who told you that?
Important legal note. If you don't show up, the court almost always rules against you. That's called a default judgment. It's the court's way of saying, you had your chance and you blew it. Moral of the story. Always show up even if you think you're doomed.
My client. Okay.
Oh boy.
I don't know where that one came from.
See, now it's a good thing Miss Drummer is not here.
That's
Because you would have said that, Miss Drummer would have gone off. We wouldn't have been able to stop it.
Don't be telling my business.
Had to come back. What?
Don't be telling my business. I ain't gonna go off. Be nice today.
Yeah, the only reason, Ms.
Nice.
Drummer, if that were true, then we would, if that were true, we would be adjourning and then dismissing. You did turn in your keys, but it sounds like that might not be the case.
All right. So how are you going to get this balance paid?
Painfully. I can pay something next week. I just started work, so I can't pay nothing until next week.
All right. How much do you think you can pay next week?
Trying to pay $1,000, and then I reached out to Section 8. I talked to She ain't in the leasing office. She said if I get because my daughter, it's a big mess. She caused me to lose my Section 8, but I'm in a hearing with them now. So she said if they reinstate it, she'll put me on a payment plan.
Gotcha. Okay. So let's do this. Let's get
Hawk
1,000
can't
paid
help me.
by.
So Hawk told me they didn't have any funding.
Yeah. Right.
And I
Okay.
never heard back from DHS. So
All right. You didn't yell at him, did you? No, I'm
No,
just
I
kidding.
don't-
I'm
I've
kidding.
never
I'm
seen-
kidding. Miss
I
Drummer,
did
I'm
it
kidding.
online, Mr.
I'm kidding. You're gonna yell at me.
Simpson. I did it all online. I couldn't yell at nobody.
You know, you know how sensitive I am, and you're gonna yell
I
at
know.
me.
I know.
Okay, do this. I'm gonna have you pay $1,000 by the 23rd. That's next week. Got it?
Okay. Mhm.
And then I'm gonna adjourn you out to the 29th, 2025 at 3 p.m. Okay? Let's see where we are at that point, and we'll figure out where we're gonna go. Okay?
Judge Simpson, I need to be on Zoom because I can't be leaving work. I just started a job now.
So if I say you gotta fill, what'd you do the last time you filled out the form?
Well, I gotta do all that when you just do it right now. Say Zoom, and then we be done with it. Come on, make it make sense now.
Before.
Come on.
You
Just
had
say,
nothing
okay,
else-
Zoom.
You had nothing else to yell at me about, and then you get to the end, and you're gonna
Because I'm trying to be nice.
and allow her to appear via Zoom. Are we done now?
You want to help pay it?
What?
You want to help pay it? Take a donation.
We'll see you next week on Zoom, Miss Drummer.
No, the 29th.
The 29th on Zoom,
Okay, 3:00.
3 o'clock.
All right, have a good
Okay.
evening. Bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am. I escaped at least.
I hear you. I'm still on the line.
I mean, nothing.
Bye.
Bye. Huron Vista versus Alicia Booker.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
She did not check in.
She did not check in. If you'd like to proceed, you may.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a case for non-payment of rent retained possession. $66. Court costs are $176 for a total of $4,542. Plaintiff's requesting a default judgment for possession only with rent issue after 10 days.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default, for possession, redemption amount, any amount requested with the writ issue in 10 days. Court calls the case of Huron Vista versus Keontra Hawkins.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
No, she's right here. Hello.
You wasn't there when I came in, but I'm here. Keontra Hawkins.
She just about called you out. Oh, she said I was here.
Damn.
Said you weren't here when she came in.
You weren't here either.
Wow. Did she point at me? She did. She pointed at me and said I wasn't here. Really?
I was trying to check in.
I got a new job. I got to check people in. You just told me how to. Okay. All right. What is the claim in this case?
Your Honor, I have a balance, including court costs, of $3,101. And when Ms. Hawkins came in, I was here, and
Oh, wow. Oh, you just wanted to point that out. All right, go ahead.
she told me she has an agreement to pay $250 bi-weekly with my client. 750. That makes a lot more sense than what I wrote down. And so, Your Honor, I would just request a 2-week adjournment so that I can
Do a COD and August 29th, 2025, 3 p.m. I will make sure that somebody is out here to greet you. All right.
Is that in person?
See, I knew this was going to happen.
I took off today. I got up early today.
Moment drummers, when she said something,
And that's my
I knew what was going to happen. Everybody's going to be like, I can't take it.
I just started too.
You just yelled at the staff for not being out here, and now you don't want to come back.
I'll come back on Zoom if you let me, please.
Okay. I'm done with this. You're going to have to fill out the form and we will consider it.
Okay, thank you.
You don't mean that. Have a good weekend. Huron Vista versus Clark Roberts. Yeah.
Jillian Ingen for plaintiff.
We have her.
She came in when I was not here.
Okay. Clark, she's not here. You may proceed. Really, Ann.
Your Honor, I have a balance. This is a case for non-payment of rent. Rent to retain possession is $3,940. Court costs are $176 for a total of $3,101. Plaintiff requests a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days.
Judgment to the plaintiff by default for possession. Redemption amount in the amount requested. Writ issue 10 days. Huron Vista versus Keyshawn Thompson and Lisa Talton.
Now this is fascinating. The tenant argues she shouldn't be charged for damage caused by a burglar. Legally, she might have a case. Landlords can't just pass the buck if the tenant wasn't at fault. What do you think? Should tenants eat the cost of crimes committed against them?
Thompson, Talton. No response. You may proceed.
Thank you. The rent in possession is $2,600. Court costs are $222 for a total balance of $2,908. Plaintiff requests a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after 10 days.
Judgment to the plaintiff by default for possession. Redemption amount in the amount requested with a writ to issue in 10 days. New Park Ridge Apartments versus Sherry Tubbs.
Jillian Ingen for plaintiff.
Hello. Your name?
Your Honor, Sherry Tubbs.
All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, this is a termination of tenancy case that was filed after a notice was sent because there was an unauthorized occupant residing in the unit.
All right. Ma'am, what's your position on this?
I have not have occupants staying there. They have no proof that anybody was staying at my place, and they said that he were receiving mail at my address, which I don't understand. But then when I went to the office, they said that it was another case concerning it, and not that he were using my address illegally.
That somebody was using your address?
Yes, and that was not true, and it's not true.
Your Honor, would you set this for a settlement contract?
Yeah, that's what I was going to do.
Yeah.
What date? Second. I'll set this for a final settlement conference, ma'am, September 2nd, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Okay. So much, Your Honor.
In person.
Oh,
Okay.
I was not going to do that.
You weren't going to do it?
I wasn't going to ask you, do I have to go on? Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, bless you.
You're happy.
See, everybody else is trying. All right. Thank you. Versus Kelly Hall.
Jillian Ingen for plaintiff.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hello, how you doing?
Hello.
Okay.
Your name?
Kelly Hall.
Okay. And what do we do? What's the claim in this case?
Your Honor,
It's a termination?
this is a termination of tenancy. Your Honor, this was sent for an event that occurred on March 1st, 2025, a violation of the lease. And at this time, possession hasn't been returned.
Has been returned?
Has not been returned.
Has not been returned. All right. What's your position on that?
They was trying to say that I had burnt Sharon Tubbs, the lady that just left here, her house up, and that wasn't true. But I was
That you did what?
burnt her house up. Sharon Tubbs, the one that just left here, that I was talking to. So that's not what really had happened. But I had rushed out to legal aid, and then I haven't got no response back today. And I ended up missing that call. So when I went to return the call back to her, she didn't answer. But Miss Jill just let me know that they'll be reaching out to me on Monday, so I could get somebody to help me represent me or whatever. So if I could have it postponed it, please.
You want this set 2 weeks out or a final settlement?
But I think we should do a final settlement.
All right. I'll set it for final settlement September 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you so much. All right, you have a blessed day. All right.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Court calls case People versus New Park Ridge versus Leah Burton.
Hello. How you doing, Your Honor?
It's a great thing about moms. Oh, go ahead.
You don't hear mommy. Come on, baby.
I don't know why everybody looking at her. I know, right? Hello.
Sorry about that.
No, what are you sorry about? How old is she?
1.
1?
Yes.
Isn't she beautiful? She's beautiful.
That is exactly like how I was at 1. Just yesterday. What'd you say? All right. What's the claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $1,846.
Okay. And ma'am, how are we going to get this paid?
So I had an issue. The rent that I actually owe is $9. They added some extra charges saying that for damages, I guess there was some damages. I was in Chicago taking care of my father before he passed away. And I got a call that someone broke into my house and to get home immediately to secure my home. So they got the person who committed the crime. They charged him and everything. And I got the paperwork here for the victim's paperwork. And it says that his charges was only $200. So the department's charging me $700.
Hold on. His charge was $200.
Yes.
So
He's being charged with less than $200.
correct. So he's being charged with malicious destruction of property less than 200 or something like
Burglary. He's being charged with burglary.
that. Okay. So here's how that works. Are you looking to get restitution for that damage? Is that what you?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yep.
Oh.
Malicious destruction of building less than 200.
That's
right.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yep.
So they'll charge it. Best way to put this, they'll charge it as that if you are indeed a victim of a crime, you're entitled to whatever restitution there is. Doesn't matter what the charge is.
Okay.
That's the simplest way for me to put it.
So when I spoke with Hawk, since I'm in a domestic violence abuser or whatever, they said I qualify for the program, so they are going to help me pay for it.
Who, Hawk?
Yes. So they scheduled my appointment for September 4th.
Okay.
It's a bit far out, but the bars is going to help.
I guess so do you, how much is your monthly rent?
202.
202?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you going to be able to pay anything between now and, you say your Hawk appointment is September? My first day's 5. Yeah. So are you going to be able to pay anything between now and, say, September 5th?
I can, but I was just trying to see what they were going to pay first, 'cause I'm assuming they're going to
No,
pay.
I got you, but if they pay your full rent, that's fine. I don't know how much of that is the restitution charge.
I'm happy to take her out in the hall and let her run around if you want me to.
She's
I'll stay with you.
We just both. Thank you.
So how much do you think you can pay can you pay your rent, or can you pay your September portion of your rent?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so you can pay the 202?
Yes.
Okay.
So I don't keep getting deeper in the hole. Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to put that you're going to pay 202. You're going to pay that by let's try for September 4th, okay?
Okay.
I'll adjourn your hearing out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. Okay?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Thank you.
Will it be in here in person?
Yes, it will be here in person.
Okay, thank you.
Where'd she go? She almost lost the baby.
Let's go.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Says, get me out of here.
She's waiting.
She is, bless her heart. Bye. See ya.
Got it down. Ready for a parade.
New Park Ridge Apartments versus the Tiana South.